Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 14th, 2024, and we're diving into Mersana Therapeutics' third quarter financial results. Mersana is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing novel antibody-drug conjugates for cancer treatment. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Mersana has been making significant strides in its clinical trials and collaborations, and their latest financial results provide some interesting insights into their progress and future potential.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Mersana reported collaboration revenue of $12.6 million for Q3 2024, a significant increase from $7.7 million in the same period last year. John, what does this tell us about their business model?
This increase in collaboration revenue highlights Mersana's successful partnerships, particularly with Johnson & Johnson and Merck KA. These collaborations are crucial for funding their research and development efforts, which saw a decrease in expenses to $14.8 million from $30.5 million last year, largely due to restructuring and focusing on their core projects.
Despite the net loss of $11.5 million, the EPS of -0.09 beat the forecast of $0.19. How should investors interpret this?
Beating the EPS forecast is a positive sign, indicating better-than-expected cost management and operational efficiency. It suggests that Mersana is on a solid path to optimizing its financial health while advancing its clinical programs.
Strategic initiatives and collaborations. Mersana is advancing its clinical trials for XMT-1660 and XMT-2056. Can you elaborate on these strategic initiatives?
Absolutely. XMT-1660 is in the dose escalation phase of its Phase 1 trial, targeting B7-H4 with promising preclinical data. Meanwhile, XMT-2056 targets a novel HER2 epitope, with GSK holding a global license option. These trials are pivotal for Mersana's growth as they aim to address high unmet medical needs in cancer treatment.
They also achieve significant milestones with their partners. How do these collaborations impact their financial outlook?
The $8 million milestone from Johnson & Johnson and the $1 million from Merck KA reflect the progress and potential of Mersana's ADC platforms. These payments not only bolster their financial position, but also validate their technology and strategic direction.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about Mersana's operational efficiencies. They reported a cash position of $155.2 million. How does this support their future plans?
With a cash runway extending into 2026, Mersana is well-positioned to continue its clinical trials and strategic initiatives without immediate financial pressure. Their efficient cash use, reflected in the $8.6 million operating cash outflow, underscores their disciplined approach to managing resources.
General and administrative expenses also saw a decline. What does this indicate?
The reduction in G&A expenses to $9.9 million from $12.9 million last year is a result of their restructuring efforts. This streamlining allows Mersana to allocate more resources towards their core R&D activities, enhancing their focus on advancing their ADC candidates.
Key takeaways. In summary, Mersana Therapeutics has shown strong financial management and strategic progress in Q3 2024. With increased collaboration revenue, a beat on EPS expectations, and a solid cash runway, they are well-positioned for future growth. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Mersana's focus on innovative ADC platforms and strategic partnerships makes them a compelling player in the biopharmaceutical space. Their ability to manage costs while advancing clinical trials is promising for long-term investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Mersana's performance in the comments below.